Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but powerful tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to calculate a correlation coefficient, also known as Pearson's R in Google Sheets. Whether you're analyzing student performance, figuring out if study hours impact test scores, or just curious about how two sets of data might move together, by the end of this video, you'll know how to find that all-important R value with confidence. Let's dive right in. Before we get to any formulas, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure you have your data ready and organized in Google Sheets. Imagine you're working with a list of students. Their names are in one column and you've got two other columns, one for the number of hours each student studied and another for their test scores. The column of study hours will be our X variable, and test scores will be Y. Laying out your data this way keeps things crystal clear, and it'll make using the correlation formula super straightforward. Once your data is set up, it's time to perform the calculation. The next step is to click on a blank cell where you want to display your correlation result. You can pick any empty cell that makes sense for your sheet. Some folks like to place it just below their data, while others prefer putting it off to the side. It's really up to your preference. Having a separate, clean spot for your result just helps keep your spreadsheet tidy and easier to interpret later on. Now here comes the crucial part. In that blank cell, you'll want to type the CORREL function. So start by typing an equal sign, since that tells Google Sheets you're about to enter a formula. Then type CORREL, which stands for correlation, followed by parentheses. Inside those parentheses, you pick your two columns, the first for X, the second for Y. For example, if your study hours run from cells B2 to B11 and test scores are in C2 to C11, you'd type equals CORREL B2 B11 C2 C11. If your columns are different, just adjust the ranges to match. This little line of code is doing a lot of work behind the scenes. It's crunching the numbers to show you how tightly connected those two variables really are. Think of this like looking at how two lines on a graph rise and fall together. A correlation near 1 means a strong positive relationship, near -1 means a strong negative one, and around 0 means almost no relationship at all. Once you've entered the formula and double-checked your cell ranges, simply press Enter. Give Google Sheets a moment, it'll instantly display your correlation coefficient, Pearson's R, in that cell. This number gives you a sense of how strongly related your two data sets are. If it's close to 0.8 or 0.9, that suggests a fairly strong positive correlation. Closer to 0 means weak or no relationship. Don't worry if your number isn't exactly what you expected. Sometimes real data has surprises, and understanding the story behind the numbers is half the fun. And that's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've used Google Sheets to calculate Pearson's R and gain new insight into your data. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to leave a comment down below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.